I'm Anupama Chopra and you're watching Film Companion.
पैदा तो मैं भी शरीफ हुआ था, लेकिन शराफत से अपनी कभी नहीं बनी। सर हम भी तो देखें हमसे बड़ा शैतान कौन पैदा हो गया।
An actor is not any more important than the setting or than the light which is illuminating him. And in fact, very often it is the light which is illuminating him which embellishes his performance.
Like we support male-centric movies as supporting actors, as heroines, I would like to see boys do that to our films.
Wait, Anushka Sharma, if you're watching this, I am so sorry for being such a pain in the behind. I just didn't know any better.
ये गाना है, इसका म्यूजिक शुरू होते सबको पता है। डन 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 डन। आप क्या गाएंगी? ए मेरे शुरू करेंगी आप, क्योंकि आपको म्यूजिक से मालूम है। आज ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, कौन सा म्यूजिक आ रहा है, कौन सा गाना आ रहा है, कुछ।
Unfortunately, filmmaking is the only art form that costs money.
I don't think the problem is with the viewers. The problem is with the path between a filmmaker and a viewer.
I feel after a long day's work, because you wouldn't be able to help worrying. I mean, if I was to watch how amazing Hrithik Roshan is looking all the time, I probably wouldn't be able to sleep properly. Yeah, I'd be so stressed out thinking, oh, I better go to the gym, I better, you know what I mean?
Experience is always a good thing.
You're Ranveer, and you say, "Good morning, sir." Okay? Anil sir just entered.
Good morning, sir.
क्या लग रहा हूँ यार?
Is this true? Yeah. How are you feeling today? He's look into the mirror and touch up himself and say, confidence, confidence.
You sit behind the monitor, chewing on popcorn, looking at your scene.
Popcorn, I need my peanuts, my ching chana, I need all the riff-raff in the world. It's important. But it keeps me occupied, and I talk less. Therefore, I keep eating because sometimes I get angry, so quickly stuff the mouth.
I should try that with Vinod.
But my process of choosing a script is just the story and my character.
Hi, it's day one of the 68th Cannes Film Festival. I just got here this morning. It is, as always, exciting, chaotic, completely mad, really exhausting. You know, I've been coming here for 15 years and Cannes never gets old.
I've just kind of raised bar for myself and I'm like, I might just do one film in a year because it's just taking so much. Like I have grey hair now. And I see my grey hair, I'm like, how many more years I have, till I, run out of my black hair. So
grey hair को काट दिया क्या?
No, रखा है मैंने.
Whenever filmmakers come and say, I have 4 stories, I'm like, you've lost me there. I'm like, you cannot have 4 stories. I mean, a filmmaker should have one idea and tell that one film, and that should be, you should be breathing, eating and sleeping that one idea.
So here the idea is that every scene should be either, we call it an LCD principle, that either it should make you laugh, it should make you cry, or it should be dramatic enough to
LCD
engage.
principle, LCD. I love it.
Yeah, actually my passion was gardening and farming. Maybe I wanted to be a farmer all through my life.
Somebody used to tell me when I joined the film industry, 40-50% ना audience माफ कर देती है गंदी acting भी पहली film में. Which should not be true.
When you are successful as an outsider, you'll be discussed but in a very hushed tone, and that's about it. And people are willing to just forget about it. But if you're an insider and you win, you're successful, it's multiplied by 10.
People like me are attention seekers. So I guess that's what keeps me going.
Hi, this is Anupama Chopra coming to you from the 66th Berlin Film Festival. It's very cold, as you can see, but the cold only adds to the magic of one of the world's great film festivals. Diljit, welcome to Film Companion.
I think in Hollywood you still have a very diverse kind of industry, so I don't think Tom is having any problem with it. But our industry is still growing, and they are bringing these new kind of cinema where ordinary man can become extraordinary, can become a hero by his choices.
H-E-H, lol.
Prabhas, you have blood on your hands. What have you been doing?
I'm trying to save someone.
I have chased you for 1 year, more than a year.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but also.
Oh my god, I can't believe I'm wearing what Anushka Sharma wore in Bombay Velvet.
मैं एक्टर नहीं हूँ, शेर हूँ.
Cameras are rolling. He touches my feet.
Respect, I'll still do it.
Unless and until you become a good human being, you can never be an actor. You know. So that's not true, actually.
Do you find yourself holding back because she's underplaying it?
मुझे कोई नहीं रोक सकता. नींद पूरी नहीं हुई क्या? कैसे सवाल पूछ रहे हैं मुझसे?
Are you not on night bus?
Do you hold yourself? मतलब? Delirious she is asking me. शेर को कोई रोक सकता है?
Anushka, do you find fab?
Would feel कि यार ये कुछ शेर हो शेर. You were doing all the game.
ये जब मैं अच्छी बात करता हूँ सुनने को आता है कि भाई से सीख लो क्या बोल रहा है.
I think the swag just happens.
It just comes.
Yeah, it happens. It should. We're good actors also.
Or you just were raised with, you just grew up with a whole lot of swag.
Swag. Or you're just born with it.
That's right.
Yeah.
I mean, life experience gives you swag.
You know, I have to tell you what my father does. It's most embarrassing. He'll take a picture of someone taking a picture of me. I don't think he's gotten over the fact that his daughter is known.
क्या बदला?
हाँ पूरा शेर बदल गया. मैं इधर हो गया और एक्टिंग भी कर रहा हूँ.
हमको मन की शक्ति देना.
जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे.
एक गोली मारी ऐसे ठाक और बैठ गया वहीं पे. वो बंदा उसी में एक गोली में थोड़ा सा अधमरा के यहाँ और बैठ गया.
ये फैशन सेंस कहाँ से आ गई?
नहीं थी, पैसे नहीं थे.
You're looking much more beautiful today than you did at 16. And honestly, it's because I believe that I'm beautiful today.
My mom only sometimes, sometimes she's just reading her newspaper and she just watches me going from this room to that room and she's like, star ban gaya tu. And then I'm like, नहीं, my mom can't feel this. My mom can't feel this.
अभी भी हीरो के दोस्त के लिए रोल्स आते हैं, मैं अभी भी डिक्लाइन कर देता हूँ. अभी कहीं ना कहीं मैं शायद उस पोजीशन में हूँ जहाँ मैं कह सकूँ, no, I can do better. And I feel I can do better today. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि I can take up more responsibilities. I can play central parts. I can, if not a central part, I feel I can play a substantial part.
Sure.
तो अभी मौका मिला है and like everyone else, I think I want to explore more.
Like who you are as a person, what are your ideologies, what are you standing for, you know, and because films is a true representation also about you as an artist, you have to be aware of what you're standing up for.
And when I do get an opportunity to sit down and start watching a film that I want to watch, usually I've got a 4-year-old on my head who's hanging in front of me, talking with me as I'm trying to watch. And so I've sort of missed out on films for a number of years. I'll get back to it one day when he's too big to sit on my head.
And she's married to the greatest batsman alive.
Yeah,
I mean, that's massive.
I'm married to the greatest man in the world.
I am a journalist. मैं जो देखता हूँ मैं वो लिख देता हूँ. मेरे को मजा आता है.
My father used to catch people and take him. मेरे बेटे की फिल्म दिखाता हूँ तुझे.
So basically, one could say that in a small way, I've had a fairly large hand in helping you craft your skill.
I'm so thrilled to be sitting with my guru over here today.
You need to bring him to Cannes. I feel like he's the man who was made for this red carpet.
No, he's made for the Met carpet.
That's true.
He's not. Cannes is me.
Let's make that
Can's
very
mine.
clear.
Right.
Can is mine. Met also this year's theme maybe. I don't think he'd fit in every year, but though he's more Met than Can. From a red carpet point of view, maybe you know that. I said that myself.
They feel like, okay, these are inside tips, tricks of the trade. मैं क्यों बताऊं?
Everybody has their own trick. You just put your heart and soul into it, and you make your own craft.
I don't have to struggle for funding. This OTT has totally changed my life. It has totally changed my life because suddenly my audience is everywhere.
This is the best!
How have you not got PAP?
Because I don't call the PAPs.
This security is a Sadhu. He's not letting us sit here. We'll find
Just
another
keeping
and
it on
on
camera.
I come across as arrogant, do I? Do I?
There's a part of criticism happened in Arjun Reddy as well. But this was a little bizarre.
मैं तो जो खराब कमेंट देते मैं उसको ब्लॉक कर देती हूँ. कुछ चिपड़े से आते हैं.
इंतहा हो गई इंतजार
It's one of my favorites. It's such a great song.
आईना कुछ खबर मेरे यार की. अब उनके पास बापू है मामू.
$35 million views on the trailer already.
1 लाख तो मेरी होंगे.
A very happy, very uppity, all that doesn't come very naturally to me. And and even if you try really hard, which I did, you would still fail. So, but I tried. I gave it my best shot. I mean, have you seen the film? Energy.
There have been times where I have pointed out mistakes in Rockstar, and I felt that the people I was talking to are actually going to physically assault me.
मुझे तो लगता है कि मैं तो जेल में कब से हूँ, बस जेलर बदल जाता है.
Sorry, simple that someone.
मैं जब टाइम्स स्क्वायर में घूमने गया शो से पहले तो तब मेरे ख्याल आया मन में कि मैं यार ये मेरी भी फोटो हो सकती है यहाँ पे.
घमंड वाले बात है पर we deserved it, man.
हाँ मैं गुमसुम इन राहों की तरह तेरे ख्वाबों में तेरी ख्वाहिश.
So I do animal impersonation.
When you start thinking, oh my God, what is this? This is like a job. Why I want to do this job? That moment I will stop acting. I promise.
So I'm unprepared usually. Like I try to surprise myself and surprise others.
Why should you be so proud? Why the pride should get into your head? People have achieved so many things far bigger than what you have achieved, and they're going to achieve in the future also.
You have to undo a lot to be a Rajamouli's hero.
Even I would want to act in a movie which is not comedy, but I wouldn't wait for someone else to cast me in that, because I know I can write it myself.
Tell me in one word what the last 18 months have been like for you.
Insightful.
Chaos.
Traumatizing.
Hard work.
Complicated.
It's like these. It has gone forever.
True star in India is you have to capture the single theatres, just not the multiplexes.
When I used to do my rehearsal, they used to say, you know, that rehearsal, it hit here. Then it's not happened again after that.
Anupama, never in my head did I ever think I'll come back and start working.
Never?
Never. I always thought कि बस this is my life, ये मेरे बच्चे हैं, मेरा husband and this is my domain.
मैं पिछले 1.25 साल से सिंगल हूँ. बाकी मुझे कुछ नहीं पता.
1.25 साल, that's very specific.
अरे छोटी-छोटी बातें पकड़ रही हो आप.
They shoot with me in Mira Road, and they are shooting their next series in Goa. How unfair that can be.
COVID, Manoj, COVID.
They shoot with me in Mira Road, Bhayandar.
Wow.
You already said you're James Bond from Chembur. You have to stick around Chembur, no?
मुझे लैंग्वेज इशू है, सब मैं सोचता हूँ कन्नड़ा में, बात करता हूँ कन्नड़ा में, खाता हूँ कन्नड़ा में, सब कन्नड़ा है मेरा, ठीक है। मैं रेडी नहीं था ये सब करने के लिए। मेरा बीवी बोलती थी तू थोड़ा लैंग्वेज में ध्यान रख, अगर तू उधर गया प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी तेरे को करके। तो उसका कॉन्फिडेंस में मैं आ गया इधर, ठीक है।
If you're getting sold to a brand, कि इसको ले लो, इसके followers इतने हैं तो इसके posts इतने हैं।
लेकिन फिर वो followers ticket क्यों नहीं खरीदते?
If I'm going to be a star one day or do superstar things, you know, what do my school friends think? Like, would they be convinced?
It's a good gauge.
The moment I can convince them, I'll do it.
That is a good gauge.
We've become Spanish, Korean, Iranian, Italian. What cinema we have? We have to be proud of what we are.
My first director said the camera is your friend.
Being measured with words is not intentional. If you have something to say, you speak. Otherwise, you don't need to speak.
I could not have anything beyond a beer in front of him. Like he felt कि नहीं तुमसे beer पियो, hard drinks and all you can't have. So I think he didn't want me to become like him.
Yeah, rolling, na?
Don't edit this, okay? I love this.
If we have to walk that far, then we have to walk together.
All that happening to Sidhu and his family just changed my perspective of looking at life and doing everything. I talked to Sidhu's dad, I called him, and he gave me blessings. I honestly called him, told him, I don't know what to say to you, but honestly, I'm your second son. If you ever need anything from my side, please know I'm here.
We're here because we love what we do, and when nobody believed in you, you believed in you. So always believe in you. Just because people started believing in you, don't be dependent on that. Always depend on what you believed in. Always.
Our movie's budget may be lesser than the promotion budget of a biggest movie in Bollywood.
Actors won't even ask for a cup of coffee. The coffee is brought by assistant. Assistant opens the cup. Actor takes sip, hands it back to assistant.
मेरे एरिया के डॉगीज हैं, बहुत प्यार करते हैं, भौंकते हैं उन लोग मेरे को। अलग लग रहा है, हटके लग रहा है, तो कुत्ता भी बोलता है ये कौन आया? तो मेरी तरह नहीं बनना भाई, सब अपनी तरह बनना।
So I call my films experiential. You try and stay true to physics.
But how, Siddharth?
At first day, I was like, पहले दिन का photograph एक memory. She made me pout.
Yeah.
Okay, चलो pout करो। मैंने कहा नहीं, I can't do that.
क्यों FTI में pout करना नहीं सिखाया?
आगोश में आज मेरे समा जा।
I mute and restrict people like left, right and center on my Instagram.
Have you all been in the same room together before?
No, never.
No, not for me.
Same for you?
Not at all.
And you, Kokana, in less than 30 minutes, what many people could not say or do in 3 hours. How do you not lose faith?
I sleep. क्योंकि जब आप उठोगे वापस एक फ्रेश पीओवी से उठोगे, अगर लग रहा है कोई चीज बन नहीं रही।
Vicky, this is सच्चा प्यार।
पृथ्वीराज सुकुमार।
It's not that. I'm sorry. कभी-कभी मुझे शर्म भी आता है।
Oh my God.
is I've gone to another office and the security guy was a bit rude. Hey, idhar aa. And he said, package delivery time bata. I said, I've not come here to deliver a package. I've come to meet the director.
You need to assign a value to yourself. You can't have other people say, हाँ नहीं ये 20 रुपए ये 15 रुपए. You need to say कि मैं सोना हूँ भाई, हीरा हूँ. Like you have to do that for yourself.
इन्होंने कहा मुझसे अकेले में, पाजी मैं एक्टर नहीं हूँ.
ये क्या होगा?
मैं तो सिंगर हूँ. तो मैं इनको देख रहा था, मैं यार
मैं बंदे को फिल्म में ले रहा हूँ.
I mean, I remember it happened to me when I was an ingenue and I started. Yeah. And Rajesh Khanna was the phenomenon. Oh my God, I had mugged up all my lines so that I wouldn't flub a single thing. I was totally intimidated by him. But did I show it? No. Not at all.
Oh. You enjoy all of it.
I love to do, yeah. I love to sing and I love everything that I do.
I have to sort of quoting Gabbar Singh ask कि कौन सी चक्की का आटा खा रहे हो आप लोग?
Can I run and manage my life in this way without a person living in here to bring me a glass of water? No, I do this thing. I make my bed. I vacuum the floor. I wash my 3 plates. You possibly also read that I cut my own hair.
I did.
I came back to do 2 films and go back. You know?
Right.
Everything is a bonus. Everything is a bonus.
Silence में जो चीख आती है ना निकल के, वो बहरा कर देती है.
बाप रे.
I know the whole world thinks I should give a damn about, at this stage at least, settling down. I don't give a damn about it.
I really enjoy being around. You make me feel very important because of the round table. The square ones make you feel you're not such a big star and an actor. Thank you, Anupam.
I guess I just felt I was sitting with you and not doing an interview, and I got a little carried away.
Thanks for having me.
Oh, I wish this didn't end. I loved talking.
Thank you for encouraging. And I love your work. I want to say it before we cut. I love your work and I love seeing all your interviews. You're always laughing. It really, puts the other person at ease.
It was good fun talking to you.
Thank you for having us.
It was so good meeting you, yaar.
Good fun. Lovely to meet you.
Thank you, Vishal. Always such a pleasure to speak with her.
I am so glad. I wanted to talk to you since, again, 12 years. क्या बात है?
बहुत मजा आया अनुपमा जी, फिल्म कंपनियन में आके बहुत मजा आया जी.
One Love Lily, that is a wrap, and zoop, nailed it.